Hey you guys, Luke Newcomer here, about to give you a brand new private property tour, brand new construction, ultra modern, built by Color Homes. The address is 106 North Whitney. We're about 1.5 miles to Flagler College, walkable to dynamite restaurants, everything you love about the historic district, up and coming neighborhood. Let's go check this thing out. All right guys, we're inside 106 North Whitney, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, over 1,300 square feet. Beautiful kitchen setup, nice quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, big open space. The one thing I love about this house, there is so much natural light. Big windows, huge window exposure here, tons of natural light, beautiful flooring throughout. So this is a nice open living setup. You're gonna follow me back this way. Again, really taking the finishes, everything was very thoughtful in here, very modern. I mean, this is one of the most unique properties that we're bringing to market. So straight back there's the master, 3 bedrooms in here, utility closet, there's really good space. Make it like a pantry, additional storage. We're gonna go into bedroom 1 of 3 off to my right. Again, real big windows. The closet space in this house is incredibly functional. Great for ample storage. Again, get a shot. I mean, this hallway is just gorgeous. Full bathroom. You can get a clip of that. Beautiful tile work, nice countertop, nice and high. Bedroom 2 of 3. Straight back. Again, good closet space in here. The other nice thing is this driveway is super deep. I mean, we started at the front, it runs all the way to back here, and then you've got a side entrance door right here. This is the utility closet. We don't need to walk in, but you're gonna have a washer and dryer set up, the hot water heater, and also the AC handler is gonna be in this closet. And then straight at the back of the house, you've got the master. We'll stand back here for reference. Right beside you, really deep closet. You've got the master ensuite back here, nice high vanity, beautiful tile work. We'll get a clip of that as well. And then follow me out here, because I just want to beat you to the end. I want you to see how beautiful and grand this hallway is. It's a really nice exposure. Folks, the address is 106 North Whitney, St. Augustine, 32084. Beautiful finishes. Easy maintenance, ultra modern. This is a one-of-a-kind type property. Color Homes did a phenomenal job with this, and I look forward to getting you through personally. Contact my team today. Again, my name's Luke Newcomer with the Newcomer Group, where exceeding your expectation is our standard.